Today, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. Let's go. All right, so recap from last week. What we did was we just highlighted from the MACD where we had a cross. We had the blue go over the orange, on the orange go over the blue. And usually when you're looking at this particular chart, you can see that, hey, when the orange goes over the blue, price goes down. When blue goes over the orange, price usually goes up. All right, so right now we're still in the downwards trend. No major update this week. We highlighted that we have the 29K as support. The reason, how do we get this 29K as support? We went to the monthly chart. We can see that, hey, this has the strongest support line. And the reason we made this a support line was due to the fact that we highlighted these two candle bodies. Okay, the reason we highlighted the 29K zone is if we lose that zone, we could see price dropping to 19K. And I know that's a lot to say, but you know, this rare crypto technical analysis. All right, so now let's take a look at the indicators. Okay, so from the indicators, I know this chart looks kind of messy, but we're looking at the daily chart right now. And from the daily chart, we can see that, okay, we had a stochastic RSI cross, and that's insinuating that price could trend down this week. However, the MACD looks like we may have a cross coming soon, so we could see the bulls enter the market and try to push prices up to make this candle right here look better to end February. All right, and if it's a green doji, it could signal a trend reversal. It's meaning that the month of March could be bullish, and we could be touching maybe 40K. Depending on what that signal looks like, I will update the channel. Okay, so from my analysis, if we look at the daily chart, we can see that, okay, price is trending downwards, but due to the end of the month, we could see some prices coming in. Let's look at the weekly chart. From the weekly chart, we can see that the RSI is at 40. We can see that the MFI is at 18. We can see that the MACD looks like we're losing out of selling pressure, so the blue may be coming over the orange in March. Okay, so that's something to look out for. That is kind of a good sign to me, but depending on the news, it's kind of like very shaky, so we don't know where the market's heading. I'm not gonna play it. Patience will win this game. Don't forget that from the monthly chart, we can see that we still have this big bearish sign. Okay, so even if there'll have to be a lot of money coming into the market to make it bullish again. All right, so this is my analysis. I'm Bodie J from Rare Crypto. Thanks for tuning in on the weekly update on BTC. Let go.